Okay, we're back. This is, I don't know, Leslie Road, Grant Place. I believe it's Garden Street. East Garden Street, I think. I don't know. I take this all the time. Yeah, East Garden Street. East Garden Street. We got a cop car behind us. We got one way behind there. Fire truck. Hey guys. Neighbors that can't get along. Ah. Fire department's going back. And so now the police and the state police just got to clean it up. Notice they got the four-wheeler out. The all-terrain vehicle or utility vehicle. Pretty cool. Usually they're on the trail, but they also patrol around the neighborhoods at night and the day. There it goes. Going back to the firehouse. Boy, that cop just really yelled at him. Really yelled at him. Which is a good thing. That's a kid the police have been watching right there in the white shirt. Not too smart to act like you're all hot and everything when there's, I don't know, 15 cops around. Including the state police, who basically have a low tolerance for just about anything involving adolescents. Adolescent behavior. I can't really see them too good. I can't get any closer than this. Something about a fight, though. The kid walking down the sidewalk a few seconds ago, he mentioned something about somebody had all their teeth knocked out. If it was by the police, he probably deserved it. I'd say that's one of the punk kids right there. Something about something hopping up on somebody's porch, and I don't know. Just people causing issues. And I'm sure alcohol has been involved. Sorry for it not being clear. I didn't expect this, so I didn't bring my GoPro. Okay, I'm gonna get going. I have a girl waiting for me, and I'm very late.
We got the bitches. We got the weed. The bottles. Yo, let me get that bike. I'm trying to ride to Limbinos.
You need to get your ass home. Just a bunch of punk-ass kids. They pepper sprayed people. Must be when the cops got here, it was really out of control. They'll probably patrol around here all night, though. You know what I think cops should do after something like this? They should gas everybody so they go to sleep. State police are leaving. There goes Trooper. I was headed for Griffiths, and then I saw all the lights. Yeah. But anyways, the police should be allowed to gas everybody after something like this, so they go to sleep, you know. Gas them out for like 8 to 10 hours. Let them wake up to one hell of a headache. There goes the papa. I thought there was 2 trooper cars, but one of them left. Yeah. Now, as soon as everybody starts going, they're going to have the cops patrol the whole neighborhood. They see anybody outside at night.
Yeah, it's not that water boil advisory.
Oh hell no! I guess it was a big fight.
I thought it was that water boil advisory.
No, that's over with.
Yeah, I just want to make sure the water was clean, so when I go home, I can,
People got pepper sprayed and everything else, I guess. I believe this is a house party that just got way out of control. Maybe a noise complaint or something. alcohol, obviously. And obviously the douchebag parents stick up for the douchebag kids or the teenagers acting like douchebags. So the police just said a couple minutes ago, start cuffing. So basically they're going to arrest a lot of people. Give them appearance tickets, which is all it'll be. And then the judge will just simply let them go. Or those neighbors are complaining about the way the people there were acting, which I think is the way it went down. But this is what happens when you have unsupervised parties or you have adolescent kids being chaperoned by adolescent adults. And it's really late, and I'd like to get going. This is, I don't know, after 1 a.m. I'll try and wipe the camera lens, so hold on here.